Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Chuchu. Happy birthday to you. Nasalay.
Bill paper.
Ay! Baka kasi ako! Ibibidyo!
Oh, kina mo lang palit tabata na para nagong kuskuso mo ng tanay. Akin na yun.
Unta, tang sumantika tayo.
Ah, katiman di ka to.
Nakikiktot
ka pa, Hil. Jam na nang so, panaglutoy. Coronary.
Coronary. Coronary heart disease.
Coronary, ha? Coronary.
Shit. Alright, shit. Alright, shit.
Parang nang maway tonto ya, Buddha. Ah, puto-puto na.
Tutay Buddha.
Ito, tinalpa kay muling ko. Malaki talo na stick, kasama sa naman. Saan ka mapabidyo?
Mano po. Ay, nakapagyan si Kuya yung video. Nakatalikod. May wish.
Spider-Man, Spider-Man does whatever a spider can. Spins a web any size, catches thieves just like flies. Look out! Here comes a Spider-Man. Is he strong? Listen, bud. He's got radioactive blood. Can he swing from a thread? Take a look overhead. Hey there! There goes the Spider-Man. In the chill of night, at the scene of the crime, like a streak of light.
Masalah. Di kira tayo. Daraman. May daraman niya.
Ano?
Daraman, may daraman niya.
Ha?
Daraman. Ay, tanay.
Pag-ilang mo siya.
Hindi wala, manatalo.
Yeah, tell me about it. Chill of night at the scene of a crime, like a streak of light, he arrives just in time. Spider-Man, Spider-Man, from the neighborhood Spider-Man. Wealth and fame, he's ignored. Action is his reward. To him, life is a great big hang up. Wherever there's a fling up, you'll find the
Masakit.
Masakit yan. Parang kagat lang ng langgam na malaki yan.
Sobrang laki ka mo. Boy, video. Tagalin mo. Aray.
Camera ko,
Grabe. Sakitan na to. Nasaktan mo ako.
Hindi, kasi
Nakita na.
Parang sakitan ha.
nandito ba?
Painless dapat.
Hindi. Bakit mo tinanggal?
Painful. Hindi painless ha. Hindi painless ako. Painful.
pretty much the birthday of David San Santos and Miko Blanco went well because all of us were there. There was Bro Alex, there was Jonah, and of course the whole Foliero family and Lola. And we would also like to thank Kuya Hil for cooking all the delicacies. Of course with our help. See ya!
Kasama ko sa Bicol Blanco na kapila ng River Maya. And I'm from the band
Orange Lemon.
Kasama ko nga.
Together with John Lloyd Cruz up. Nasa asa pala din siya. Pagkikita niyo. And together with our guest. With Bakekang and Angel Lacin. Yeah.
Bakit? Kinakantahan ka ng kotse.
Gagawin ko ang lahat, pangako ko lang i-aguin. Dahil mahal,
Corico Blanco! Corico Blanco!
mahal kita.
Rico Blanco! Rico Blanco! Bahala sa
Oo nga, oo, tama. Kamukha ko si Rico Blanco.
Take all the dance
Orange and lemon.
and show you what to do. Find a way
May sampato.
to make you feel that it is showing to me. You say goodbye.
Bait-bait!
To you, happy
Sabay mo!
Happy birthday to you.
Rico, kasama na dito yung birthday mo rin. Double birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Tingin mo ba? Sabi mo dali! Tingin mo ba? To you!
Yung kaka-birthday lang. Mapapasok ka na. Kain na nga. Kain na.
Hindi, dapat.
Bayag mo ah. Bayag mo. Kain na. Kabado. Kabado. Yun. Sige, happy birthday. Ngayon talaga. 1, 2, 3, game! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Blow!
Uy, ang bilis naman!
Hindi ko rin.
Ayaw mo nun, nung wala kang picture nun, may picture ka ngayon, marami, tol.
Miko, kunwari ikaw din ang
Ayan.
magulo.
Now, 1, 2, 3.
Sige. Yun! Si Miko naman,
Pagtalikod mo yung
Eh kasi wala siya nung birthday niya eh.
Makikita yung
Nga, may kita 24.
S over 4, oh, ilan na eh? Ha? S over 4, ilan na eh? 16. 4 by 4, ilan na eh? 4 kantos. Halata ka?
Dito ka. Miko, sa gitna ka. Yes. Rico Blanco!
Rico Blanco!
Papakuha.
Mikot, nagsiselos na ako ah. Parang mas malapit na kayo ni John eh. Kaya na pa yan eh.
Ako.
I'm on a high, there's nothing more to it. You're the sea and the sky and the blue that runs through it, yeah. And there are some who say there are so many things I need. So I run or I fight and I crawl or I scream and I bleed, I bleed, I bleed. It's a lie, don't you believe it? If you're fine, then you're fine. Somehow you see it, oh that never will be.
Inaantay niya lang yung sasakyan eh. Inaantay niya lang. Oh, magalit niya sa sasakyan. Go.
Pagbibisan.